one, four.
Hey everyone, and welcome back to another episode of Put Your Makeup On. In today's video, I am sharing with you today's tutorial on this look right here. I wanted to do something really dramatic, really fun. Working with gold glitter was a little bit of a hassle, but you make it work, and I'm excited to share this video with you. So, of course, if you want to know how to get this look right here, you know what to do. This is how we do it on Putting Your Makeup On, so just keep watching. I'm first starting off with the Fresh Sugar Lip Advanced Therapy. That way my lips stay nice and hydrated while I'm doing the rest of the makeup. Put a lid on it, eyeshadow primer from the Balm. That way our eyeshadows don't crease throughout the day. For the palette, I'm going in with the Cute AF palette from Colourpop. I'm going in first with the shade Full Zip, which is a color that's similar to my skin tone, just to set the primer. That way all of these shadows are easier to blend. As our transition color, I'm going in with Champs, and this is just to make sure that everything is all blended in. I like to layer up everything little by little. You guys have seen me apply eyeshadow 1,000 times, and this is basically how I do it every time. And then I'm going in with the shade Note to Self, which is a little bit more cooler, but I still like to layer this type of shadow because I think it translates well also with the gold that we are going in with later. Going in with Full Zip one more time and highlighting my brow bone area. Don't want to leave that area naked. And then I'm going in with GNO, and I sped this clip up a little bit because I took a lot of time blending this in. Because it is a much darker color, I really wanted to have that nice blown out effect to make this a nice, true, warm, smoky eye. For our main lid color, I'm using Butter Cake on a flat synthetic brush, and I am wetting this a little bit with my Smashbox primer water. I wanted a little bit of a base before I add the glitter. Before I add the glitter, I'm using the NYX Glitter Glue, which is a little bit more tacky than a regular eyeshadow primer. That way the glitter just sticks and holds better to the lid. I'm using the NYX glitter, and I think the shade is just called Gold. It's a very, very super fine milled gold. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I had a ton of fallout with this one. But honestly, it's really no big deal, which is why I like to do the eyes first before I do my face makeup. Always, and I just basically cleaned it up a little bit with some tape actually. This is a great way instead of going in with makeup remover, so much easier. I'm using the Hourglass liquid eyeliner, and I'm popping that on my lid, and then I wanted to switch things up a little bit and use a different color for the wing, which is the NYX Vivid Bright Liquid Liner. I really like this stuff. It just adds something different to the look. I love the way that the blue contrasts with the orange. Something cool, something different. I'm using the Troublemaker mascara from Urban Decay, and I don't know what exactly happened to the clip of me showing you the lashes, but I did apply the demi whispies from Ardel. So for the rest of the face, let's get things going. This is the Stay Matte Primer from Rimmel, personal favorite. I can't tell you how much I enjoy this affordable, amazing primer to combat my oily skin. It is amazing. And I'm doing a little bit of a primer cocktail. I'm using the Benefit Professional purely on just my nose because I have so many pores there, and it's just working out for me. So I'm just smearing that on the T-zone area. For foundation, Lasting Finish from Rimmel, one of my absolute go-to favorites, again, from the drugstore. Hello, can't talk. And I'm using this with a sponge to give me more of that airbrushed finish. Definitely want to make sure that my under eyes are flawless as well. A Mr. Camo Orange Color Corrector pen from Maybelline is just amazing, and I'm just popping that on, blending that in ever so lightly. I'm only applying that only where the dark circles are. Over that, I'm using the Smashbox Studio Skin Waterproof Concealer. I really enjoy this concealer. It blends so effortlessly under the eyes, doesn't crease on me, and it doesn't look like heavy or cakey or whatever. It's really, really good. I like to set everything before I go in with my bronzer, blush, and highlight. And for today, I'm using the Bare Minerals Original Veil Translucent Powder. This is the limited edition packaging right here, but you could definitely find this regular in their permanent packaging. I'm using this for under the eyes and for the face, just switching up the brushes, just set everything into place. This is a great trick before blush, bronzer, and all that fun stuff to make sure everything is way more longer lasting for you throughout the day. I'm doing the brows really fast. I think brows is kind of boring, but I am using the Anastasia brow definer in the shade dark brown, and I am also setting that with the Anastasia clear brow gel. I'm using the bronze booster from Physicans Formula. I love this stuff. It's just so amazing in every way. It blends out so effortlessly, and it never looks muddy or orangey. It's so perfect. I'm going in with MAC Breezy blush, a little bit on the darker side, which is why I'm using a duo haired brush to kind of soften and smooth it out on the skin. And then I'm using the Mercier Face Illuminator. I believe this is the one in Addiction. Has a nice gold tone to it to correlate well with the eyes. And lastly, for the lips, we are going in with the Smashbox, the Always On Liquid Lip in the shade Vino Noir. I wanted to do something bold. I wanted to do something metallic, even though I don't really wear metallic lips that often. But because the eyes are so heavy, I just wanted to go heavy on the lips as well. So that is pretty much it for today's tutorial. Let me know in the comments down below how you enjoyed this video. I, of course, will have all the products listed down below, like always, with all my social media as well. So don't forget to come say hi. And that is pretty much all I have to say for this video, other than I love you guys, and I shall see you in the next video. Have a great day, guys. Bye!